Hello everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to an unboxing of what I'm calling the Miracle Ukulele. Here it is. Now, way back in February, I ordered this ukulele. It's sold by Kmise but made by another company. I think it's like Fusan or something like that. I think it's Fuyxan. And I was looking on AliExpress and I saw an ukulele that looked exactly like it for $15.86 shipped. So I bought it and it disappeared. But it was okay. Was refunded the money. Well, today, US Postal Service dropped off this and I am about 95% sure that it is that missing ukulele. Now this one was sold by Irin, I-R-I-N ukulele. So we're going to open this guy up and see how it's doing. This was ordered March 8th, 2020. As I'm opening this, it is August 17th, 2020. That's more than 5 months, which is kind of unreasonable for an ukulele. So here it is. And there it is. And we're going to take a look at this in just a second. If it's exactly the same ukulele, I don't need to review it. I was just curious if it actually was. And the way I'll be able to tell is on an internal scope. When you look inside, it has the company's name down here. So here's the new one. It has strings, and I hated the original strings that came with this. It doesn't say Irin on it at all, so which tells me something. It has a saddle very much like the nut that I didn't like on the Rise by Sawtooth. Check out that video if you want to see a really bad ukulele. But it looks to be about the same as this one. So let's see. Are they the same? Well, one's got a lot of fingerprints on it. Are they the same ukulele? Sure looks like it, even down to the headstock. So either it's an awesome replica or Kmise bought these from the same company that Irin did, and they're selling them at different price points. This was on sale at the time for $25. This was only less than $16 shipped from China, but it took 5+ months to get here. So I'll take a look on the inside and see what we're looking at there. By the way, if you're wondering why I was interested in this, a couple of reasons. First of all, it's an all-plastic ukulele. So in the time of COVID, for a teacher or for a student, you could wipe it down with a cleansing cloth, a wipe with alcohol on it or whatever, and not have any worries at all about the damage that it's going to do to your instrument if it played well enough. And quite honestly, with different strings, it's not too bad. It's not terrible. It can definitely serve as an instrument to play at school, to have fun with. Are there better instruments out there? Absolutely. But you know what? The action isn't too bad at all, especially with fluorocarbon strings. I like the sound a lot better. And I think that's the same thing that we're going to find with the Irin replica here. Take a look inside and see what we see. And sure enough, right there, it's exactly the same instrument. So we don't even need to do a review of it. If you buy the Irin plastic ukulele, it's the same one that Kmise sells here in the United States on the Amazon store. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not even going to try to get these strings in tune. As I was trying to tune them up, a couple of them just flew off anyway, untied themselves and did that. That doesn't happen. So I'm just going to go to some other inexpensive fluorocarbon strings that I happen to have. Don't look for a review of this one down the road. I don't think that there's any need to, because there's already the review of the Kmise version. So thank you so much for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.